Marie Curie's glow-in-the-dark slime. Science is so much fun, mixing, experimenting, testing. One woman who really loved science was Marie Curie. She was born in the 1800s and won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1903 for her study with her husband on radiation. Radiation can be pretty dangerous stuff, recognized by its glowing properties. But knowing more about it helped in lots of aspects of modern life, such as making better X-ray machines. We can't work with anything radioactive like Marie Curie, but we can make something that glows in the dark. Slime! To start, you will need baking soda, glow-in-the-dark glue, a bowl, some measuring spoons, water, and something with boric acid. Most contact lens solutions have this. Start by emptying out about 5 ounces of glow-in-the-dark glue into the bowl. Then add about 1/4 of a tablespoon of baking soda. Mix both the glue and the baking soda together. Then add about 2 tablespoons of water. You can add more later if you need to make the slime stretchier. Mix this in. Last, add about 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution with boric acid. I recommend adding this a little bit at a time in order to get the right consistency. Now, let's get kneading. Knead the slime by working it back and forth. It might be sticky at first, but it should become less so over time. Now you have a nice, beautiful ball of slime. Set it out under a strong light, or better yet, in some sunlight. It needs to absorb that light to properly glow. Now it's time to show off that glow. Enjoy your slime in the light and dark. You are doing science too, just like Marie Curie.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.